Hello, Miss Johnson here. I wanted to show you I'm looking at Moodle, and this is week of March 30th. I'm scrolling down here, and you are going to this link where it says Padlet link. You just need to click right here where it says Padlet link, and you're going to answer the questions. It's going to take you right to the link, and in this link we are talking about the pros and cons of recess in school. So you can see there's 4 questions. Pros, why do we need recess? You need to list at least one reason why we do need recess. Cons, what are the disadvantages of recess? Share your personal opinion on the topic. And then you can share a fun memory about recess. All right, and the reason that we're talking about this is because conducting an argument is an important skill for us to teach our elementary students. So we were talking about the skills of synthesis, how to investigate and conduct an argument. So we are conducting an argument on the reasons why we should or should not have a recess. So again, you go into Moodle, click this link right here. It will take you to the Padlet, and all you have to do is click on this little plus button, and that will open up a new box and you can type your answer. Okay? And you don't have to hit save or anything. It should automatically save. I hope that helps you.